Want to screen mirror your Android smartphone or tablet to your own Roku TV, whether you have a Samsung Galaxy or any other Android device? Then here's how to screencast to your own Roku TV in under a minute. To be able to screen share, first of all, you need to make sure that both your own Roku TV and your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, for Samsung users, you'll need to open the control center, tap on SmartView, and you should see your own Roku TV. But if you don't see it on the list, then tap on the three dots, then Settings, go to Labs, and here, turn on both Allow Apps to be Cast and Chromecast support. Now just go back to the list, and there you go. You'll have your own Roku TV. So to start mirroring, simply tap on it. For other Android devices, open the control center, expand it, and search for Cast or Screencast. If you don't see the icon, then you'll need to go to Edit mode and add it from there. After that, it's just straightforward. Tap to open the list and select your own Roku TV. There you go. Now you're ready to share your smartphone or tablet screen to the ONN Roku TV and share media or play games. When you're done, simply press the back or home button on the remote to exit out of the mirroring mode. That's all there is to it. Hope this helped, and I'll see you around.